Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to Pag-ibig Homes PH. And today's video as pag-usapan natin guys how we calculate yung possible natin na monthly amortization just in case gusto natin kumuha ng property, either a lot, house on lot, condominium unit, basta we are planning to apply for a Pag-ibig housing loan. So all you have to do guys is to go to this URL pagibigfund.gov.ph/member.html. Once na dyan na kayo guys sa page na yan, just scroll down dun sa pinakababa. We have quick links. Then click on this housing loan calculator. And guys, mapapansin nyo na iba na yung URL. pagibigfundservices.com/ac/. So yun yung pinaka-shortcut natin how we can reach for this app ng Pag-ibig Fund. So okay, housing loan affordability calculator. So there are many ways guys kung paano mo ma-compute kung ano yung desire mo. For example, this one. How much income is required for desired loan value? For example, yung desired loan value natin is around 2.5 million. Okay. What will be the considering bata ka pa, then you have at least pwede mong ma-take yung property or yung loan mo within the next 30 years. And we will select the lowest interest rate. So the preferred fixing pricing period, meaning guys, for example for this one, within 1 year, yan yung magiging interest rate mo. The succeeding years, the second year and more, pwedeng tumaas yung interest rate mo or pwede siyang bumaba, guys. So i-compute natin yan. So if you are planning to take a loan of 2.5 million, dapat guys yung income natin is nasa 48,631, around 49,000. So kung hindi naman kaya ng sarili mong income, pwedeng kuha ka ng up to 2 co-borrowers, which is also must be your immediate affinity. Pwedeng asawa, mother mo, father mo, anak mo, or something. Basta ano siya, close relative mo siya. So this is the indicative figures. Ibig sabihin guys, there will be some sort of insurance, something like na i-add dito sa monthly amortization. So ang pwede mong bayaran for your loan of 2.5 million, you have to pay monthly amortization of 15,000. Okay? Kung ano naman guys, kung ang how much you can borrow based on your income. Halimbawa, ang gross monthly income natin is around 32,000. Yung natin kasi medyo na tayo, matanda-tanda na tayo, ang maximum lang ng loanable years natin para bayaran yung loan is 25 years. And of course guys, mas prepared talaga natin na low interest para mababa lang yung babayaran natin. Okay, let's compute. So guys, with your monthly income, you can apply for a home loan about 1.5 million. So your monthly amortization is around 10,000. So guys, i-consider mo yung other fees more or less nasa 10,000 more or up to 11,000. So pwede mo rin siyang i-print guys. Ito yung niya. For your print po siya sa printer nyo or di kaya i-print po siya as PDF. para mayroon kang soft copy. So that's it. Kung ano naman guys, yung gusto mo namang malaman how much you can borrow based on the value of the property. So estimated value of the property, for example, is nasa 4 million. Ang tenure natin, medyo may kaidaran tayo, for example, 20 years na lang. Okay. Pero kasi guys, pag medyo tumatanda na tayo, malaki-laki na rin siguro po dahil nag-i-improve tayo sa buhay natin, di ba? Marami tayong mga rakit-rakit na kumikita tayo. So ngayon, same, dapat piliin natin yung pinakamababang interest. Compute natin guys. Ayan. So you can approximately take a loan of 3 million based on the appraised value of the property. So for example, the appraised value of the property is less than 3 million. Ibig sabihin guys, kailangan mong magbayad ng more equity. Okay. So more equity. Okay. So estimated equity mo dito, for example, for 3 million is 1 million. Again, kung ang appraised value is less than 3 million. So ang magiging equity is more than 1 million guys. So your monthly amortization would be around 22,000 and your gross monthly income is around 70,000. So meaning guys, kung hindi naman nakaya natin ng income documents natin, again, pwede ka rin kumuha ng co-borrowers mo, anak mo, mother mo, father mo, basta close relative, pwede po. Okay. So guys, sana this video gave you information of how can you utilize the housing loan affordable calculator in determining your possible loanable amount, your monthly amortization. So this will give you insights kung paano ba, kakayanin ba, ano ba yung pwede natin gawin, whether kukuha ba tayo ng co-makers or something. So guys, good luck with your endeavors to acquire property para sa inyong pamilya or di kaya para for just an investment. Okay guys, thank you and have a nice day.